distinguished members of the Union and conference participants. Welcome to the Union World Conference on Lung Health 2022. I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which I am standing today, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation, and pay my respects to their elders, past, present and emerging. I extend that respect to First Nations people who are present with us today. While I am disappointed that I will not be able to welcome you in person to this year's conference, I am pleased that we're able to host a conference that is accessible to all. We took the decision to hold this year's conference virtually in recognition of the reality that the COVID-19 pandemic is not over. We are a global conference and place a high value on holding an event that is inclusive, accessible and safe for all. Thanks to your valuable feedback over the last 2 years, we have refined our interactive global virtual event this year, and I am confident it will be an excellent platform for exchange, cooperation and innovation. The theme of this year's conference, Combating Pandemics Today and Tomorrow, is a timely reminder that we can't wish the pandemic away. COVID-19 is causing severe morbidity, including long COVID and premature death, particularly in those who are vulnerable. COVID-19 remains a huge challenge. We must tackle it together. As we meet towards the end of 2022, we recognise that we still have much to do to achieve our vision of a world free of tuberculosis and lung disease. Now, almost halfway to the 2030 deadline to end TB, we are faced with a choice. Either abandon the goal or revise and reinforce the strategy to get us back on track to achieve the goal. For the millions of people suffering and dying from TB each year, and for everyone attending this conference, there is only one option. At the Union, we believe the goal of eliminating TB and lung disease is vital and achievable. However, it requires us to refocus our efforts, use new tools and knowledge, and reinvigorate the commitment to end TB and lung disease in the near future. This is why I am so proud and excited to be opening the Union World Conference on Lung Health 2022. We have produced an exciting and inspiring scientific program covering many aspects of lung disease, including TB, COVID-19, COPD, asthma and pneumonia. We will continue to highlight the harmful impact of air pollution, tobacco and climate change. After its great success last year, Union Live will again feature thought-provoking sessions, including a deep dive into WHO's Global TB Report and Stop TB's Words Matter, focused on the use of empowering TB language. You will also hear powerful community voices in our open access space, Community Connect, helping create a robust link between people most affected and the emerging science. An exciting new addition to the program this year is Youth for Lung Health, which aims to create the conditions for young people to lead the agenda and influence the lung health ecosystem. I would like to extend a special thank you to our sponsors and partners for their invaluable support of the Union Conference, especially during these virtual years. I would also like to express my gratitude to the Coordinating Committee of Scientific Activities, led by Dr. Kari Tudor, the Union's Community Advisory Panel, led by Ingrid Sherman, and the Union's conference team, led by David Jackson, who have worked tirelessly throughout the year to bring you this online experience of new science, research, treatment, policy and networking. I wish you all a successful, rewarding and enjoyable week at our virtual conference. Together, I believe we can achieve a healthier world for all, free of tuberculosis and lung disease.